Alright, here we go with another one. It's an MPC, it's a Snap model kit, Monster Jeep Groundhog. I don't know how many they had in this series. Like the numbers 6471-10FO. Huge monster wheels. Massive 4x4 suspension. Detailed interior. My first kit was a very similar kit to this. Just take the Jeep body off and put on a Fox body Mustang. I have one somewhere. I'll have to dig that out when the kids are awake, and I'll make a video on that eventually. I'll show you the part contents and the kit contents and all that. Actual parts. Colors required: yellow, red, and silver. Actual size on model 5 1/16 of an inch long. Ertl Company. So this must have been right in the transition, because that little sticker right there from Ertl, or MPC going to Ertl. Who knows if these molds are still around, if we'll ever see them again. I want to say I got mine around 86, 87 when I started doing models. But I found this one and the Mustang, and I had to buy them both. Anyways, just more oddball modeling from the 80s. I assume it comes molded in blue, probably white for the wheels, and then black for the seats and suspension, all that. I don't know, I always was drawn to the MPC stuff. They had some weird kits back in the day. Golden Wheels tickets and tokens, and I never did redeem anything out of them. I think they were pretty much a done deal before I grasped the concept of all that. Paperwork was fun to look at, I remember that. All the different models you could purchase or acquire through the token program. Alright.